Guys? We are in Prescott, Arizona, at a graveyard I never knew about.
Life is for the birds.
That's weird. You guys, how's it going? Josh and Ben here, Arizona Ventures.
Hi.
So we're at this. What is this graveyard?
I don't know. Acker Park.
So I never knew about this graveyard before. Kind of way back here out in Prescott. It's pretty interesting. We do some exploring around here, play around with the SLS camera, and then just go from there. See, should we do a random Nautica after this?
I don't know. Maybe. I guess we could.
Maybe after this we'll do random Nautica. Cool. Really? What does this one say? Joe Torres, 1915 to 481. Wow, that's an old one. What about this one? You can't even tell that one.
I know some of them are faded off.
Wow. 1882, 1947. Wow.
Yeah, have that for me, baby.
Yeah. Is this a grave right here where there's been digging?
Holy fuck. Little.
Clean that up for you.
Just died.
Wow.
This is a fresh grave.
May 14th. Oh yeah, look at that. That's freshly buried. Look at that. That's a fresh grave.
Are you
Wow,
still
look
here,
how-
Joey?
Look how sloppy they did it. Look at this area.
Joey, are you still around here?
Wow.
Manifest, dude.
What about that one right there? This one is 08. Man. This is a weird graveyard. And there's one hidden under this tree. This one's 2018. This one's 2021. So they just have like the plaque sitting here on top of the surface. Look at that. The 1960 Sherry Frederick Cruz. Wow. These are brand new. 2018, 2019. I wonder if there's... They have these like down in the wash area. Dang. There's even one. Francisco Fernandez, 1949. That's a redone one. I saw that earlier. Let's go over here. That's a small one. 1888, 1947. Wow, look at that. That's the original headstone right there. And the new one, they got that redone. Wow. What about over here? That's nicely done headstone. 1865 to 1947. I got an 1865 one down here.
1865?
Born and then died in 1947. What is that? Looks like it was an old picture in there or something. There's no stone for this one. Oh wow, look at this fence. Whole thing came down. Oh, here's a hidden one. Clean this software on. Donna. Yeah, this kind of sucks, man. They kind of have these graves in really bad areas. You don't know if there's any more hidden ones. Excuse me. What's this over here? What is this? Let's go around him. I'm gonna go join up with him, and then we'll try out the SLS camera in a little bit. Well, I found Ben.
Huh?
Oh, you're chilling over here with Lola.
Lola Castaneda. She's fucking bougie.
Why is that?
She's the bougiest.
Wow, yeah, look at this grave. Compared to the ones over there that were just complete unkept, no one cared about them, even though they're brand new. What is this, 1947?
Oh, you're shining your lights on, the lights on, they're turning off.
2019. Wow, we got a bench and all. Got all these
Check it out.
little light.
Road
Look
to
at
her.
this. Yeah. Wow. This little girl was loved.
Yeah.
I mean, that is kind of pretty.
My grave's not going to be like this, I bet.
Wow.
My grave's going to be a barrel in the desert.
Did you hear that? Sounded like a gate closing or something. You didn't hear that? You're kidding me.
There's no gate here.
I heard. Look at this grave. All it is just marked by a cross, a wooden cross. Nothing else. Wow. Right next to all these. I'm gonna pull up the SLS camera. See if we get anything on that. What is this? Wow. Look. Alright, 1 second. Oh, that's a nice stone. Look at this area. Wow. Now that's a grave. 1871 and 1907. Wow. Ain't that something? Right next to this one. Fitzsimmons. Oh, I've heard about that one. Look at this one. I can't even read it. Oh, here we go. 1868 to 1898. Wow. Some of these graves are really nice. Nice stone. Huh? Whoa, look at that guy.
1848 to 1908.
Look at that thing. Whoa. That's a big one. Ah. He got away, dang it. Oh, there's one. Look at this. Jeez. What does this say? And something. Oh, that's a tomb. $18.50. So look at this grave. This one's really old. It's got a bunch of green rocks around it
Oh
too.
my god.
But I'm trying to find out what it says. And a year. I'm looking for a year. Soviet. I don't know. Look at that. That's crazy. I ran the SLS camera for a while and there's nothing on it. What's this one? It's old coin.
Baby cook.
Baby cook. Aw. 1950.
They probably all died together.
That's a nice one. 93 to 90 or 75. He has missed it. He did a little prank. He said that the gate was closed. I'm like, what? Do a little bit more exploring. Dude, check these out. What's that? 1938. Bit weathered. Wow. Let's get a little picture. Oh, let's get all those old toys. Bunch of perfectly round rocks. Look at that. Huh. Hey, little buddy. Let's get a gauge around it. Oh, there's trash in there. What is this? What's over here? Acre Park. Huh. It's like a 3D map. That's cool. Wow. I don't think you guys can see this on the camera, but this is huge. That's crazy. What is this? Huh. There's some tunnels right there. Small tunnels, but that's right next to the graveyard. It's interesting. Go around that. Bunch of painted rocks. That's cool. Oh, that's a nice stone. Let's go this way. And these people. Huh. What is that? Some sort of metal stake. What is that? This block? Yeah. It's all the dirt. That's cool. Oh, shiny rock. It's filled with pyrite. That's pretty cool. For Mr. or Mrs. Dover Pearson, 1905. That's cool.
Get water.
I'm getting a female voice on my walkie-talkie. Huh. It's an old cross right there. What's this one? Hey, were you getting that on your walkie-talkie too? Huh. Well, this is pretty cool. Indian totem pole. Made out of wood. For John Frederick Colin. A little thing about toids. What is that old metal ring? That's interesting. Huh. Oh, that's that one over there. Oh, no way. There's some over here. Gotta be careful. I don't know if I'm walking on any. Look at this. 1892 to 1964. And several of them. Wow. Right next to this wash. I wouldn't be surprised if there's any human bones sticking out. Jeez. Huh. What is that? Bowl? Ouch. That sticker in my shoe. I just found some metal parts of something. Old can. Oh. That's interesting. I don't know if I should take that home or not. Little souvenir from the graveyard. That's just crazy how there's bodies back here, or graves, I should say, all unkept in the bush. Here's another one. 1881, 1956. Wow, look at these. Wow. That's an old one. Look at that. Jeez Louise. I'll go check out these ones over here. Is this one? Ooh, bunch of ants. Picture. One time. Oh, what's that? No way. Is that a grave too? Just washing downhill. That's crazy. There's a bunch of stuff. An old plaque or something. That's crazy. See if there's any more in the woods. No way. Oh, that's grave there. Wow, this is crazy. These are old. This is from, let's see. I see 1940. That's all. Wow, this is crazy. Look where I'm at. These graves, old graves in the middle of the bush.
Baby, are you climbing down the ravine?
What was that?
Are you climbing down the ravine?
Hey, you should come over here. You should look at this. This is creepy.
I don't want to go over there.
What is this? Copenhagen? That's crazy. You gotta see this, man.
This is grave.
There's another old buried one from a tree. Let's see, what is that? 1855 to 1899. Wow. U.S. Army. Oh, it's just a stone.
Grave honeysuckle.
What'd you find?
Honeysuckle.
Yeah, back there, like deep in there, there's graves.
I know.
It's creepy. Oh, here's some baby graves. That's sad. Oh. There's some old ones. I'm guessing that's one. Huh. That's a hole right there. I wonder what that is. Almost, yeah. Wow, what is all this? Just a pile of trash. It's a golden frog. Huh? Guessing he liked trucks and beer. We're about done here, so just do one last look over here. Oh, one. Another one. All right. Well, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. So I try to maneuver my way out of here. All right. And you guys have a good one. Catch you in the next video.